If you cannot plait, this is a spring twist for you. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Sekafet. Hope everybody is doing well. To all my subscribers, thank you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, darling. So guys, I know it's been a while and I've been absent, but whatever, school is done. So you know, the vids are coming back to back. Gonna try within safety limits to do as much as possible, you know. Ontario, we're in search free of reopening, so most places have reopened. People can sit into restaurants, go to gyms. Yeah, the cases are declining and we just want them to continue declining, so we're taking all safety measures and so forth. But like being inside for so long, it has been rather very depressing. So now I just want to go outside and enjoy what's left of the beautiful weather. And so yeah, we got some very fun things planned, so keep a heads up, look out for that because it's gonna be lit. So getting back to what's important for this video is, I know you could see this spring twist. Let me tell you, child, talk to me. Do you see these twists? How juicy they are. Let me tell you, the first time I put this spring twist in my hair, I fell in love. And I don't know if you remember one of my videos a time back, I said I was gonna do like spring twist, and then I changed my mind because what ended up happening is the twist that I ordered on Amazon was disappointing, so I sent it back. Well, I did send it back and then I reordered this particular one. So what I have in my hair is spring twist by Beauty and Beyond. It came in this bag with I think 3 different packs, or 2, 3, I think 3 smaller packs like this. So it came like this, and I will show you exactly when I'm plaiting it what a bunch look like, but it came like this. And then I used tools, separated it and plait my hair, which I'm gonna break down right in next. But just about this here, if you cannot plait, this is a spring twist for you. This is very easy to plait. That you do nothing, it does everything on its own. You're wondering like, how does it do that, or like how is it like looking so pretty? Honestly, it does everything on its own. There's nothing that there's no technique. There's no technique. I promise you, there's no technique. This here plaits on its own like this, very pretty. No matter how much messy you get, it's gonna get back to this. And if you do not open it, then it's just gonna plait rather very neatly as well. I am in love. I am in love with this hairstyle. So tell me what you think, because I actually loved it. This is bombshell. This is a bombshell. Like, you have to be honest. Like this video, because this is pretty. I love it. I really love it. Honestly, you could tell when I love something. I'm very honest. When I love something, I tell you straight off if I like it or if I don't. I don't try and like pretend with you or beat around the bush. You know straight up if I like something. And in this bag, it will tell you not much. It's just telling you how to plait it, instructions on how to plait it, how to install the spring twist here. Method 1, method 2, contact us if you have any concerns and so forth. Then in the bag as well, you get like these clips. You'll see me using one while I'm plaiting. You normally hook it to the root of your hair. I don't know who started this trend, but this person, God bless them for thinking of that. But anyhow, you attach it to the root of the hair so the hair would not continue spinning and essentially tug on your natural hair and cause so much tension. So, and you could just use it for like anything else. It's just a clip. So yeah, you got 2 clips like that. You also get some hair accessories like that. I don't usually use these hair accessories, but I appreciate the clip. 5 small packs. Okay, 5.5. So in all, 2 bags like this would be enough to get a style like this. But then again, I use 2 strands per plait. So if you want it thinner or not as full, then you could just use 1, and I guess 1 pack would suffice. But it all depends on your preference. Now let's get right into it. So here's the bunch that I was speaking about earlier. I did not count the amount of strands you get in it, but it's quite a good amount. You then take 2 strands. I'm using the color black and the color T130, I believe. Everything will be linked down in the description. And then I open up the twist. So I start from the bottom up until I get to the middle, and I open it up. So I stretch out first just to ensure that it's easier to pat. Just by informing you, the black is easier to pat than the colored, but yeah, eventually you'll get through it. And then I take the 2 pieces, which I just open, and I merge them together. Now, in order to loop your hands through the braid, it takes a little bit of a process. I'm going to try and explain to you while I'm showing you me patting my hair there. When you're looping the braid, you want to ensure that you use your index finger and your middle finger as well as your thumb. So you take the braid, you pass it over your hands. Okay, let's do this in slow motion. You hold with your other hand and open 2, and then you pass your hand over the braid, like exactly what you're seeing. Take your middle finger and your index finger. Use that to spin the braid like you're doing a loop. So you spin it over your hand and then pass your index finger for the loop that your other hand made. You then release your other hand and open up that loop again with your next hand and do a double loop again, passing your index through it. Now, if it's confusing, which I think it will be, to be honest, if it's confusing, the only way it could be less confusing is if you actually take braids and you try what I'm telling you. But that's the best way to loop your hair. That's, to me, is one of the professional ways to loop braiding to hook braids, versus just opening the hair and plaiting it like a 3, making the braids easier to slide off that way. Then to hook it onto the hair, you use your index finger to essentially create a pattern in your hair. So your hair needs to be parted in 3 at the end of the day. The way I'm showing you makes the braid separate in 3. And it does the same thing to your hair. So your hair needs to be separated in 3 as well. And you use your index finger to do that separation. Now, I'm going to show you this again. I'm using jam to just ensure that everything stays down. Everything again will be linked down below. But then you take the braid, the 2, and you make a loop with your hand, pass around your index finger. Now look at the separation with my index finger. Do you see that? And then you essentially hold that and you take the pattern with your next finger and you braid it along. Now, I just don't even know how to explain this in a slower motion. I think just explaining this alone would be a video by itself. So if you do want to see me break this down, let me know. I know I have a corner video to do. I've not forgotten that. But this could also be one if you're interested in seeing how I hook braids. But let's continue watching. there you have it. I've given you so many ways you could style this spring twist. I've given you at least 6 different ways in which you could style this spring twist, which does not even include a simple one. Okay, I'm gonna do another video where I'm gonna show you different styles you could do with this spring twist here as soon as it becomes a bit more stale. But yeah, right now I'm just really loving this hair. You may not tell, but I'm really tired. I actually stayed up doing this hair because I had to braid my sister hair and then I had to braid my hair, which went on throughout the morning, so I've not slept. But I am gonna get sleep right now after I'm done with this video. But I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. And again, once more, thank you so much for watching. If you did, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, and just please tell me if you are gonna try out this bombshell spring twist, because to me, I absolutely love them. I think they are fabulous and I know you won't regret it. So guys, thank you so much. Catch you on the next one.